Howdy folks, it's Saturday, November 19. John Vancura, I begged and pleaded with him to come and help me hang this door. John, what do we have here that you're working with?
Well, a $300 door.
$300 or pound?
You got that?
Got it.
Yeah, about 300 pounds. 350 pounds.
350 pounds, I think it's every ounce of that. I always thought 200, but it took John and Linda and I to get this beast up out of the workshop. And so John came over this morning. We worked on doing the door frame over there. This door will get hung so that it swings in and off to the left, because you don't want it hitting the outlets over there. And so John is setting this up now. And what he'll do is with the router tool, he'll follow the little square area. And that's set up, John, to be as big as the hinges, correct?
Yes.
So to route out these 4 hinges, how long will that take you about, John?
2 minutes.
About 2 minutes.
And I'll ask how long it takes to set it up.
How long does it take to hang it though, John? We're gonna need Linda for that.
You gotta call a muscle.
Yeah, but yeah, this is the part that makes it look easy with these jigs and the like. But boy, they sure make a big difference. So thanks for following our progress.